knowledge. Myself Ashwatham. Today I am teaching about adjective. What is meaning of adjective? Anything said about a person, place or a thing, and adjective comes before the noun. Here we take some examples. The examples are Rama is good boy. Lalbagh is beautiful garden. Friends, here Rama is good boy. Here good is adjective. Boy is noun. Adjective is coming before the noun. It is coming before the noun. Now let us take next example. Lalbagh is beautiful garden. Guys, here garden is noun and beautiful is adjective. Adjective is coming before the noun. Before the noun. Definition of adjective. So an adjective is word which describes or point out the person, place or a thing or tell a number, quantity or quality. For example, he is good boy. Here good is describing word means adjective. Boy is it is noun. Here good is describing boy. Good, how it is describing? Good boy. Here good is showing quality of the adjective. Guys, mainly there are 8 kind of adjectives. There are adjective of quality, proper adjective, adjective of quantity, adjective of number or numerical adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, exclamatory adjective and relative adjective. Now we learn about adjective of quality. What is meaning of adjective quality? Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality shows the virtue or the vice of noun. It shows the quality. Now let us take some examples. The examples are Bangalore is famous city. Akshay Kumar is best hero. I purchased a new watch. Now let us see first example. Bangalore is famous city. Here what is famous and city? Here famous is a adjective, city is a noun. Here famous is coming before the noun, means adjective is coming before the noun and famous is describing the city. How it is describing? Famous city. Here famous is adjective of quality. Now let us take next example. Akshay Kumar is best hero. Here where is adjective of quality? Here. Yes. Here. This is and best and hero is noun. Adjective is coming before the noun. Here best is adjective of quality. I purchased a new watch. Here where is adjective of quality? It is adjective of quality. It is the noun. How the watch is? It is new watch. Now it is adjective of quality. Now we learn about proper adjective. Guys, it is very simple. Proper adjective are those which are formed by proper noun. For example, Gandhi cap, English grammar, Turkish towel, Indian tea, American aeroplane and Sanskrit literature. Now we learn about adjective of quantity. What is adjective of quantity? It shows how much the thing is meant. For example, we can take the Gained Bakasura ate much rice. Give the beggar some rice. He has no sense at all. I want little water. Now we take first sentence. The Gained Bakasura ate much rice. Here where is adjective? adjective of quantity. It is adjective of quantity. Then where is noun? It is noun. Adjective is coming before the noun. It is coming before the noun. What it is describing? Rice. Much rice. Now let us take next example. Give the beggar some rice. Here, where is adjective? Here, some. Some is adjective. Where is noun? Rice. Rice is noun. Noun is coming, adjective is coming before the noun. It is what it is describing? Rice. How the rice? How is rice? Some rice. For whom some rice is giving? For beggar. Now let us take next example. He has no sense at all. Here, no. Then no is quantity of adjective and sense is noun. Here, how it is describing? No. It is describing no sense. Next example. I want little water. Here, where is adjective of quantity? It is adjective of quantity. And where is noun? Water is noun. How it is describing? Little water. It is describing like little water. Now we learn about adjective of number or numeral adjective. What is numeral adjective? It denotes how many person, place or thing mean, or in what a person or thing stands. For example, each hand has 5 fingers. Here, what is 5? 5 is numeral adjective. And what is fingers? Fingers are nouns. Here, adjective came before the noun. How adjective is describing noun? 5 fingers. It is describing like 5 fingers. Now let us take next example. There are many fruits. Here, many is numeral adjective and fruits are noun. Here, adjective is coming before the noun and it is describing like there are many fruits. It is describing many fruits. Now let us take next example. I want some rice. Here, some is numeral adjective and rice is noun. Here, it is describing like some rice. I want some rice. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective point out which person, place or a thing mean. For example, demonstrative adjectives are that, this, those, etc. For example, we can take this boy is taller than that boy. These fruits are very sweet. I don't like those friends. Now let us take first example. This boy is taller than that boy. Guys, here demonstrative adjectives are this and that. How these both are demonstrative adjective? Because they are coming before the noun. It is coming before the noun. See here guys, that boy. How it is describing the noun? That boy. It is describing like that boy. Here it is describing like this boy. Here. Now let us take next example. These fruits are very sweet. Here. These fruits are very sweet. Here. These is demonstrative adjective. And fruit is noun. Demonstrative adjective is coming before the noun. How it is describing the noun? These fruits, it is describing like these fruit. Now let us take next example. I don't like those friends. Here, where are demonstrative adjectives? Here, though. It is demonstrative adjective. How it is demonstrative adjective? It is coming before the noun. Here it is. It is coming before the noun. Here, how it is describing it? Those friends. Interrogative adjectives. What are interrogative adjective? Interrogative adjective are used with nouns and asking question. Interrogative adjective examples are what, which, whose, etc. Now let us take example. What name is yours? Which book do you want? Whose pencil is that? Dear friends, always interrogative question comes first. Now let us take first sentence. What name is yours? Where is interrogative adjective? What? It is interrogative adjective. How it came here? Here, name is noun. It is coming before, adjective is coming before the noun. Next example. Which book do you want? Here, which. It is asking question, no? Which book do you want? It is asking question. Here you want to put question mark. Which book do you want? Next example. Whose pencil is that? Whose pencil is that? Here, whose is adjective and pencil is noun. Friends, it is coming before the noun. And whose is interrogative adjective. Exclamatory adjective. Exclamatory adjective are those which are used by way of an exclamation. Dear friends, in exclamatory adjective, it is necessary to give exclamation mark. Here now let us take example. What an idea! What a blessing! Here, if here is interrogative question, but also it is exclamatory adjective. If here question mark will be there, it is interrogative adjective. What an idea! Here, what is exclamatory adjective? And what a blessing! Here, what is exclamatory adjective? Relative adjective. Relative adjective are used to lay stress on certain nouns. For example, I saw a flying saucer with my own eyes. Here, relative adjective is own. Own is stressing to I. It is telling with my own eyes only. We can tell here with my eyes only, no. Why we told own eyes? Because we are telling here relative adjective. We are stressing on eyes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.